Hello my pretties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna create this very simple, easy wedding guest makeup tutorial with a classic wing liner and pinkish lips. So if you wish to see, then continue watching. I'm gonna start by priming my eyelids. This step basically helps in creating a base for your eyeshadow. So taking this warm brown from my Huda Beauty palette, I'm using it on my crease. So this is going to be my transition shade. Then I'm moving to a darker brown and building that in my crease in order to get more depth and definition. And you want to make sure you blend. Take your time with blending. The more you blend, cleaner look you get. Next, I'm taking the lightest shade on a flat brush and kind of cutting my crease. This step will ensure that I get a clean base for the next color. Next, I am using a combination of orange and this peachy tone and applying it in the center. I'm gonna cover whole of my crease using the same shade, but at the same time blending it well. For my eyeliner, I am using this gel liner by Forever 52. In order to avoid my gel liner from smudging, I'll be applying another coat of the pen liner by Recoat. You don't have to create a perfect liner in one go. Small strokes at a time. Keep on building the thickness. Start with creating a very sleek line and keep on building that. And once you're happy with the result, apply another coat with a pen liner to make it long lasting and smudge proof. Preparing the lashes for falsies, and I love these lashes by Hot Lash. And here I have my lenses on, lashes are on, and eyebrows done. Onto my face now, I'm gonna apply the Upton Day Cream, which is a perfect partner for all skin types. This is extremely lightweight and non-greasy. Crafted with traditional ingredients like turmeric and saffron, turmeric imparts an instant glow to the skin, reduces signs of aging, and protects the skin from UVA and UVB rays. Saffron, on the other hand, gives radiance and natural glow. It has a beautiful smell and also brightens your skin tone. All the products from Mamaearth are free from harmful chemicals, and this is an Indian brand which is plastic positive. If you wish to check out these products, don't forget to use my discount coupon code for 20% off at mama.in. I like using the night cream as well, which again is very good for healing damaged skin and brightens the skin tone. So you can check these products out and can also download the Mamaearth app wherein users get early access to all the sales and discounts. Next, I'm going to apply some MAC Fix Plus for some more hydration, and then I'm going to move on to my primer from Colorbar. This is a silicone based primer which cover your pores and also creates a smooth canvas for your makeup. Then I'm going back to the Elegal concealer. For my foundation, I'm using the Faces Canada Pro All-Time Foundation. This is a beautiful foundation. Just one thing, it looks very odd in the packaging, but on the face it looks perfect. Like this is my perfect shade, and it's very dewy and blends very well. Does not leave any patches, doesn't make the skin dry or cakey. So yeah, you can check this product out. I quite like this product. For my highlighting concealer, I'm using Born This Way by Too Faced in the shade Almond. And this has to be my favoriteest concealer. I know that's not a word, but just wanted you guys to know that this is the best concealer in the market and you should definitely try this out. Worth your money. You'll love it. Next, I'm using the Sephora contour stick, and guys, please excuse my voice. I'm a bit under the weather. So yeah, I'm contouring my forehead and cheekbones. Adding this cream blush by Kiko in the shade 07. So this brush is by Musk. You can check it on Instagram. Very affordable and good quality brushes. Now I'm gonna set my face using the Laura Mercier baking powder. I'm kind of pressing the product more rather than baking. Then using this Stay Quirky blush, which I received in the PR today, so I thought of trying it out. For my highlighter, I'm using the Forever 52 highlighter. Then I'm going back to the brown shade and defining my lower lash line and adding a little bit of this glittery shimmery shade in the inner corners. Extending my liner in the inner corners to give that foxy look. I'm gonna add a little bit of the white pencil in my waterline and finishing with this pink lip color from Stay Quirky again. And that, you guys, is the completed look.